On this video, I'm going to show you how to keep apple slices from turning brown, and I'm going to show you a kitchen gadget that peels apples in seconds. Well, hey all, welcome back to Kitchen Tips Online. Don't you hate it when you slice apples and they turn brown right away? Well, on this video, I'm going to show you how to keep your apple slices from turning brown for an extended amount of time. In fact, I'm going to show you how you can keep them in your refrigerator for 4 or 5 days. And before we begin, I would like to give a quick shout out to all my subscribers. I don't know if you know this, but YouTube is changing. There's 20 million videos a day uploaded to YouTube, and it's becoming quite a battle. Well, in my last video, I asked you to help me grow the channel by giving me a thumbs up, and you did. And from the bottom of my heart, I sincerely appreciate it. Now, full disclosure here, this was sent to me for free so that I could check it out and share my thoughts with you. And that's exactly what I'm going to do. But first, let's have a look at what comes in the box. Inside the box, you get the apple peeler, a set of easy-to-follow instructions, the apple core, and a couple of extra razor-sharp blades. And since there is a blade already installed, that gives you a total of 3 blades. To use the apple peeler, just press down on the suction cups at the bottom to stick them to your counter. Or, my favorite way to do it is set it on a sheet pan. It makes cleanup a whole lot easier. Next, rotate the handle so the blade arm is out of the way. Then slide the bottom of the apple onto the forks. Crank the handle and start peeling. Now, once the blade arm comes all the way around and out of the way, use the push lever behind the crank to pop the apple off the forks. Now slice off the ends of the apple so it sits flat on your cutting board. Then use the core to remove the core and seeds. To get the core out, just tap it with the back of your knife. Don't use your fingers. Those blades are sharp. Now let's talk about how to keep those apple slices from turning brown. And believe it or not, anything with vitamin C will do the trick. Apple juice, pineapple juice, orange juice, whatever you have on hand. You can store your apple slices in the refrigerator up to 5 days, or let them soak in apple juice for about 5 or 6 minutes, then dry them off and toss them in a Ziploc bag for lunch or for the kids. This apple peeler and core combo is a great value when you consider what you get for the price. I definitely recommend it. Thanks for watching.